Hey everyone, Camian Larson, Home Design and Renovation Coach here in beautiful Oregon City, Oregon. I am here today to talk to you about the services that I am offering realtors. So I've been spending a lot of time with realtors, going to their offices and trying to learn what I can offer to best serve their clients and help their businesses. And so for sellers need to declutter their homes, they need to depersonalize, and they need to make it look clean enough and appealing enough that a buyer will come in and can see themselves there and can see their stuff in that space. And so I can help their clients be able to do that and do that in a very strategic and thoughtful way. And also if they need to update certain things to maximize that price and really appeal to buyers and not have buyers come in and just say, oh my gosh, we have to do projects immediately. Those are the type of things that I can help people sort out. So I'm offering those services to them. And then on the other side, when it comes time for buyers to be looking for houses, obviously there's limited selection these days. There's not very much inventory, and it's a very competitive market for buyers. And so what they're looking at is homes that may not be in the condition that they necessarily want if they're in a certain price point. And so what I do is I can go in there with them and visualize what options they actually have and talk about strategies, both short-term and long-term. What do they need to do before they move in? What's going to be the most disruptive? Is that flooring? Is that painting? What's that look like? And how much is that going to cost at the front end? And how long is it going to delay them from moving in? So those are some of the things. But then we can also look at long-term strategies as far as customizing the space to suit their needs the best. And so that's something that we can talk about. So anyway, those are some of the things that I'm offering to buyers. If you want to learn more about what it is that I do and what services I offer, that can all be found on my website, CamianLarson.com. You can also find me on Facebook, which is probably where you're seeing this video. And you can also see my reviews and some of my portfolio on House. If you haven't been to House, I highly suggest you do it. It's a great resource for home buyers, home sellers, anybody in the real estate industry, or anybody just looking for ideas of what to do to their home. So I hope that was helpful. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.